I am on my way to the McDonald's in Weston. It is in Publix Plaza on Indian Trace and Saddle Club Road. I have a leg injury. My name is Tom. I have lived in Weston for 11 years. This is the McDonald's on Indian Trace and Saddle Club Road in Weston. Avoid. My girlfriend went to the movies 2 Saturdays ago, and then she came here to this McDonald's on Weston on Indian Trace and Saddle Club to use the faculties. And when she did that, she received an STD and then in turn passed it to me. Do not bring your family members here, or they too can receive an STD. If there's any lawyers watching, this is the place and you can contact me, and I would like to do a lawsuit.